Mwalimu munene w'esukuru ya Sironga High School omusubati Jane Nyanumba nigabuli barandia bonse nabo igabalimu abanene abubare a Uchigi Adventista kwene kingankuru bara maigeriyo abo ukwane kero kyumuyega asisukuru cheseko amaro kerelyo abuigoro oyo mo director Richard nera abuliriye emeroberio kwigekwa wango twara baro musingi umuyabuna tukumanyigwa n'umurikyo ito Fat God Gisemba.
Umwarimu munene w'esukuru ya secondary y'abanyaruka ya Sironga Madam Jane Nyanumba ubaburirie abarande bonzi anene abo bakubayegeria aborokiwa igoro y'obunyasaye ase chikanisa echo chirense ye Adventista kuna nerebuya baragwo kugenderera kubeka umukya ase okwenana amorokererio anene igoro y'edini eyeiga.
It is my sincere request to all the patrons and all the principals that they nurture these students so that they fit into the doctrines of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Without your support, then all the work that we shall do today is in vain.
Gukwana ekero kyomoyega omonene bukubatiza aborokiwa wetania chiribu isatu bagosoma ase chisukuru ao chegi Adventista ritiko lya igoro nigo umudirector bw'ekisemi ensengima inse yekanisa eyeiga Pastor Richard Sabuini abasemirie aborokiwa babonzi banyorire ebatiso buna nerebya batamere omotongi bwense nere nigo aratenene amona barabwo nonyenekero amatemwa yechingenjo ao araba banyore anene ekero bagendererete nobogima bwense eyeiga.
When you are baptized, you are anointed as children of God. That is biblical because John chapter 1 verse 12 says, as many as those who receive him, who believe in his name, they are called the children of God. At the time you receive Jesus Christ, you believe in his name, you declare yourself in public that I am a follower of Jesus Christ. I trust in him. I want to walk with him. I want to be a child of God. At that time, you are called a child of God, children of God.
Ingana eyeiga ya Pastor Richard Sabuini nigo ya mentirwe chinguru numurai omonene bw'ekanisa ya Adventista inse ye conference ya Nyamira Pastor William Ungaga oyo otebire ogochora koba asinyasae negento yokogokera mono naigo unditayo ureitie maega ekero are amo na nyasae.
In my life, when I was in high school, that's where also I made a decision to be baptized. There are a lot of decisions that we make in life, and some of them we regret. But I want to give a testimony that since I took a decision to be baptized, I have never regretted as to why I took that decision. I want to believe that also you will never regret. There are decisions that we regret, but decision to put God first, you will never regret in your life. And God will never disappoint you, not even a single minute in your life. Stick to God, commit yourself to him, and walk with him. And those of us who made decisions long time back, it's a time to revive your decision, and let's be committed.
Ripotere Getembe korwa seskuru eyeiga ya banyaruka ya Sironga egotoka imeye wodi ya Bogichora ebunge ya West Mugirango county ya Nyamira Fat God Gisemba.